Ready, Dex. Hello, gang. Hello, friends. Hello, gang friends. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. Are you well? I hope you're well. If you're new, hi. My nails are a mess. My name's Jo, and I do nail stuff. She does stuff with nail stuff and stuff she does with nail stuff. Dex, you okay? That mark on my ring finger on my right hand from my pop socket. It is day 7 of the Madame Glam Advent Calendar, and I forgot to film taking out box number 7. So let's pretend this is box number 7. Ooh! Let's see what we have inside box numero 7. Today we have a little mini gel called Mountain Peak, which is a really nice light grey with a bluey hint, maybe a bit of a purpley hint in there, but mostly grey. So let's do something with it. We are going to cover 2 nails with 2 coats of this. I love how opaque their polishes are. Look how bloody opaque they are. So good. Oh, ooh. We're going to take this, the Holographic Cat Eye, also Madame Glam. Look at, oh, it's not showing very well on camera, but it is a magnetic cat eye, rainbow one. These are how my magnets live. They all live together because they all just bang, oh, there we go, bang into each other. I can't remember which one I'm going to use. Oh, I'm going to use these two to start with them facing each other so that they attract towards each other. So we're going to put a coat of this Holographic Cat Eye and then bring out the zhuzh with the magnets. It's not showing on camera as nice as it is in the flesh, but it looks pretty awesome. Oh, and then I'm taking I'm just playing around with different types of magnets. And then we will, oh, look how pretty. Is that going in the lamp? No, we're playing around some more. Oh, I thought I'd let you watch me just fiddle around. I was thinking, could you do like a cat eye fade? The answer is yes. Kind of a little ombre cat eye vibe. Oh, look at the rainbow. That looks quite cool, but I'm just going to brush over that again because it looks nice, but it's not what we want for today. I'm just going to bring the zhuzh out all over the nail, and then we will pop it in the lamp. Get that shit in the lamp. Go on, woman. And then we're going to... Oh, I haven't painted the other one yet. So we're painting... Oh, I thought I'd show you this on the other nail just because you didn't get to see it much on the first one because I instantly covered it with something else. So this is that grey again. I've already forgotten what it's called. Did I say the name? I don't know. That's curing, and then we're going to top this with the no wipe top coat that we got on day 2 of the Advent Calendar. Have you been opening yours with me? Let me know in the comments if you have one and you've been opening it with me every day. So this grey one, it's been wiped and I think buffed, but it doesn't need to be. Just ignore that. We're going to take the cat eye, the rainbow cat eye, holographic cat eye, and we're going to do a big circle-ish, as circle as you can get a circle to be. I'm using a dotting tool for this. And then we're going to magnetize the... I'm in a really happy mood because my new Samsung Tab S, whatever the one they've got out at the moment, has just arrived and it's beautiful. So look, doesn't that look like a bubble? Like when you blow bubbles with the bubble blower thing. And then we're going to cure it. And now I'm topping... Oh, you okay, my sweets? Did you hear that? Dexter having a little sigh. Is life hard, my love? So I'm topping that with a matte or a velvet top coat because I want the grey in the background to be velvet. So now we'll go over the circle, it's going to be a bauble. We'll go over that with the no wipe shiny top. You can top, just top the matte areas in matte if you don't want to go over the whole, but it's just easier. Just go over the whole thing and then we can rectify. Because if you matte something and then shiny over it, it will be shiny again. Beg pardon. Although, I wonder if with glitter... No, I think it does work with glitter, but I feel like would the matte take a bit of the edge off? But, if you matte it and then did something and then shinied it. I think I have done it before, actually. I think it's fine. So we're going to cure that. And now we're taking their white gel paint and we're going to do some icicles. I think these are the most successful icicles I've done in the last few days, because we had some on the blue, didn't we? Sparkly blue accent nails. And then I did some in the pearly white and gold set from the other day. They were a bit of a disaster. But this one I'm starting with the cuff at the top, just bringing it down at the sides, not far though, just wisping off the sides. And then we're going to just pull down from there. You might need to add a bit more product to your brush. You might not. And then we're going to make them fatter, wider at the top. And I think I didn't worry too much about... Oh, look, I was about to say about curving in between them, but here we are, curving in between them. But not making it too thick. I think that's the key here. Not making the band across the top that they all hang down from, not making that too thick. I think that's where I've been going wrong. So we'll curve in between them and then make sure they're wisping off nicely. Wisp, pull down, lift the pressure off as you get towards the bottom and let it just wisp away. Rectify anything we're not happy with. And this is, oh yes, I've got some acrylic powder. If you've been with me for a while, you'll be very happy to see that I have an actual proper pot of acrylic powder. It's only because it was sent to me in a PR thing from Makartt. Otherwise I wouldn't buy it because I don't use it. But do you remember I used to have that horrible little crappy pot I got from eBay or something that was just contaminated with fluff and dust and glitter, and it was just a mess that I used to use for this sort of thing. But now I have a proper one. So before curing the gel paint icicles and the gel and what we're doing here, I poured acrylic powder over it and then put it in the lamp, so it's going to come out with that sort of texture effect, and then we can just leave it as that. So on here we're outlining the bauble, doing a line straight from the bottom of the bauble to the top of the nail, and then on the sides of that line we're doing a curve, and we're going to make sure that each curve starts top center and finishes bottom center, as opposed to the points. No, wait. Okay. As opposed to either end of the curved lines we're doing finishing away from the center. If I was to finish that there. No, we want to bring it right round to the middle, just to give it this kind of as if it's going round the bauble. And then before doing anything else, so we haven't cured that yet, we're going to add a dog. No, it's a snowflake. I know, more snowflakes. I'm starting to very much enjoy painting snowflakes. I don't know why. I suspect that will change pretty soon. It is only day 7. So we'll add dots, pull from the center line through the dots, and then this seems to be my snowflake of choice at the moment. A dot, and then lift off the pressure as we pull towards the center. So press down, pull towards and lift. They're not very good, these bits, but they'll do. They're thicker at the top than at the bottom. Maybe not a lot on some of them, but it's fine. So pressure, and then lift off the pressure as we start to get towards the center. And then we'll add some dots on here just to make the string look a bit fancy pants. And some little dots of snow. Yay, dots. Don't dots just make such a difference? Look, now it's like twinkly, sort of. And then we'll take this professional, clean acrylic powder and pour it all over the nail. I do this, I go over it a few times, and I'm trying to get it from both angles, like upside down, just so it hits the gel from all angles. I suppose if this was a person, you would just, oh yeah, you could still do this. Just move, people's hands move, that's fine. So we'll cover that a few times so that the gel has completely sort of, what's the word I'm looking for? Is saturated in it, full of it, of the powder. And then we cure, dust off, and that's it, bam, done. If you don't like the textured feeling, you could, instead of topping the bits you want shiny, you could just wipe, give a light buff, and then do the white, and then either leave it and then top the whole thing, in which case actually you wouldn't need to top first and buff. You could just do this in white and then top the whole thing if you don't like the textured feeling of having the acrylic poured over the white gel paint. But it's nice to mix it up every now and then. So you could go ahead, top everything, in which case don't top before doing the white gel paint. Okay. And that's them. I hope you like them. I hope you like day 7 using the mini grey polish, the name of which I can't remember already. Come back tomorrow for day 8. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you being here so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.